In this video, we will show you how to make 3 types of Wantan Mee sauce using ingredients that you should already have in the kitchen. Also, in this video, we will show you how we make Wantan Mee with a Korean twist.
Let's get on with the cooking.
Sauce number 1 is what we call the original Wantan Mee sauce. 1.5 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of chicken stock, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1.5 teaspoon sesame oil, 1.5 tablespoon light soya sauce, 1.5 tablespoon dark soya sauce, 3 tablespoons of water. Next step is to bring this sauce to a boil. This step is necessary because we feel a little caution for health is needed.
You never know what kind of bacteria is lurking.
Pour the combined sauce into a pot. Heat it up slowly until boiling, then switch it off. Divide the sauce into 3 bowls. Wantan Mee sauce number 2 is made with tomato ketchup sauce. Leftover tomato packets from fast food restaurants comes in handy for this purpose. Pour 1 tablespoon of our Wantan Mee sauce, mix it up with 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Our number 2 Wantan Mee sauce is now ready for use. Next, we will make Wantan Mee sauce number 3.
A spicy version. Oh, hot.
With our homemade garlic chili oil. If you want to know how we made this garlic chili oil, then click card above. 1 tablespoon of garlic oil, 1 tablespoon of our Wantan Mee sauce. Stir until combined. Wantan Mee sauce number 3 is done. Our spicy version of Wantan Mee sauce is super delicious.
It's give a kick to your tongue.
Our 3 Wantan Mee sauce is ready to be used. What next is to assemble the Wantan Mee. Instead of Chinese barbecue pork, we will be using chicken bulgogi.
This is our Wantan Mee chicken Korean style recipe.
How tasty is our chicken bulgogi?
Let's watch a short review from our friend Trevor in Canada who tried this recipe.
Gee, Trevor, I don't know about you, but this unboxing video is making me hungry.
Me too. How would you like some bulgogi chicken?
What is that?
Bulgogi chicken is a Korean dish that I found on a YouTube channel called Chop Chop Recipe.
Will it take long?
Danny, I can cook this faster than you can scrape down a model kit's seam lines. You just need some simple ingredients and cooking utensils. And you too can make a great meal like this.
Awesome! Now let's eat that bulgogi chicken and get back to our unboxing video.
The bulgogi marinated ingredient can be found in this video, which you can click at the end of the show. We also include links to green chili pickle recipe, garlic oil recipe, and how to boil your egg noodles. We pan fry our chicken bulgogi, which we had marinated overnight, searing the chicken until it's well cooked and brown all over.
Aha, so yummy.
Wantan Mee is not complete without some green mustards or sawi in our local language. We grow our own greens in our tiny balcony.
Try growing your own veggie, guys. If I can do, you can do.
Blanch the vegetable for a minute in boiling water, then rinse with cool water to stop the cooking process. Next, we drop a handful of fresh egg noodles into boiling water to cook them. We use a special technique to do this. Click the video at the end of the show if you want to know more.
Now it is time to assemble our Wantan Mee.
In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of garlic oil, 1 tablespoon of the original Wantan Mee sauce. Put in the cooked egg noodle while it is still hot. Quickly toss the noodles. Place it on the plate. Put a few stalks of blanched choy sum or mustard greens. Serve with green pickles at the side. Add the bulgogi chicken, garnish and serve hot.
Enjoy and thanks for watching.